Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll see how you can convert the comma separated values or CSV values. Say for example, I want this total data in the Excel format or Google Sheet format. Means I want the data in columns and rows. If you observe, you have, I guess you have the knowledge of Excel sheets. All these are the column numbers, serial number, product name, and years and sales, number of say units sold. So these are the serial numbers. I have the text in Word document or the Notepad document. Now how you can convert these to the Excel sheet? It is pretty simple. Now just make sure that this data is available on a Notepad sheet. See here. Now what I'll do is I'll just click on save as. All these are the comma separated values. If you observe here, for every value there is comma separation. Now what I'll do is, instead of this, what I'll do is sales I'll just keep like dot csv. You need to give something like csv dot csv comma separated values, and I'll be saving it to my desktop. So as soon as it's saved to the desktop, where is this here? Now what I'll do is I'll open this dot csv with the Excel sheet. Let us check how far it is working. Okay, yeah, already it is showing on Excel format because on my computer Excel is the default app which is used to open .csv files. That's the reason as soon as I save this, it has shown this value. And let us check. See, I'll be just making this a little bit bigger. Yeah, see how simple, just by saving with .csv I got year-wise sales, 2020 sales, 2022 sales, year-wise sales, and number of units sold. Yeah, if you like this video tutorial, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.